It's the day of the Fan Fest. Right now it is 11:20 a.m. I'm on my way to get hair and makeup done. Unlike last year, this year I am getting ready and reaching the venue since I'm just walking the carpet. Like there's no change or there's nothing I have to do, and it makes no sense to kind of just walk in like this and then sit there, wait for hair and makeup to get done. And I'm also excited about my hair and makeup this year because this year I'm getting it done from someone very special. She stays very close to my house, so I'm going to her studio right now. And we're gonna start getting ready. My outfit's right there and I'm super excited. I didn't expect myself to be very excited because I was like, I'm not performing this year. But then, trust me, I am sort of excited. So the plan of action for now is go get your hair and makeup done, come back home. I don't know if I'm taking a cab or if I'm driving to the venue. Do either of that, reach the venue and then take it from there, alright? Right now, let's go. So I'm here, say hi to Neelu auntie. Hi. She's the one who's going to be doing my hair and my makeup, and she was the one who did Mama's hair and makeup. I'm going to insert a picture right here. See? So pretty. So yeah, so also I'm doing this in collaboration with her Facebook page. I'm going to put a link to her Facebook page in the description below. Check it out. She does amazing work. And yeah, let's go. We're done. This is the finished look. I love it. Aapko acha laga? Yeah. She's done such a good job, guys. Check out the Facebook page. I'll put it in the description. Also, I've asked her to start an Instagram page so I can tag her in all the pictures. This is half my outfit. It's not the whole outfit. I've got something very cute to wear with it. I'm gonna head home now though, but I like how I look. I'm gonna head home now and then put the whole outfit together. Thank you. Thank you. Everybody, so yeah, this is done and I'm waiting for these curls to open because I am not a huge fan of curls, but I do like beachy waves, so I want it to sort of open so I don't look like Maggie the Psycho Queen. Anyway, heading home, changing, and then in about 30 minutes I have to be out of the house again. I won't be driving, I'll be taking a cab because I'm not sure what the parking situation there is, and it's in BKC. Usually there's a lot of traffic parking issues there, but yeah, I sort of like it. I really like it. I like how it's not too much in the face. The eyes look good. Red lips, always my favorite. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna stop staring at myself. Bye. Hey all, alright, so I am ready. I'm gonna be wearing the babies, but I'm not gonna be wearing these trousers though. But look at how cute my top is. Perfect for summers. I don't usually like wearing mesh. I'm not a huge fan of see-through stuff and being very sneaky like that. But I saw this one and I saw these flowers and I was like, oh, I need this in my life. Anyway, my outfit's in my bag and it's just a skirt, so I'm going to reach there and I'm going to change my bottoms and then we're going to be ready to go. Alright, so I have reached and I'm the one fool who did a full face of makeup and reached here and my face is melting. Sejal's here. Hi Sejal. Everybody else is there. Prachi and Shruti are busy talking. Anyway, luckily this place is air conditioned, so we're chill. My face really can't melt anymore. I don't mind it actually. So yeah, I haven't changed yet. I'll change in a while. I think we're gonna go and get something to eat. Awesome, I'll keep you guys updated. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm in a very important tent right now. Apparently this tent is 2 million subscribers over there. कैसे हैं?
अच्छे
बढ़िया चल रहा है?
हाँ बस आपकी दुआ है।
वो तो है। So you're finally performing at Fan Fest?
या फाइनली बहुत हाथ जोड़े मैंने कि मुझे थोड़ा सा परफॉर्म करने दीजिए। And finally I'm performing. And I'm walking the red carpet with her.
You're not walking with me, but yeah, close, awesome.
पीछे में।
If you guys don't know him, I don't know what on earth you're doing with your life. And yeah.
सही है, पढ़ाई करो सब। क्या देख रहे हो तुम लोग? पढ़ाई करो।
So congratulations already on a very great performance.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Alright, see another two amazing Thai people. Hey.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, okay.
What's up?
Just in case, oh my gosh. Just in case you don't know, Kenny, this is a beach.
Yes, Prajakta.
And
yes,
that's about it.
That's it? You're not going to say anything more?
No, we're just going to look pretty on camera.
Yes,
that's what we do for it. Everybody, alright, I am ready for the carpet. I got my skirt on, I got my shoes on. I tried to fix my hair. It's super loose and super frizzy, but that's all I can do. There's nothing more I can do about it. We're on our way to the carpet. Say hi to Beer Bison.
What's up?
Hey. like. What? That's all the screaming I get? Hi! Is that all the screaming I
Drop to me.
Hey everybody, I just got home. I changed, cleaned up, and I swear to God, I love my face. I am so glad I like my face like this way better. Like the makeup that Neelu auntie did this morning was great, but then it was super hot outside, and God, my hair. The hair was also great, by the way. I love the hair. Like I don't usually like curls, but then these like soft sort of wave thingies that I had in my hair made my hair look big, so I liked it. The moment I took my makeup off, I felt so good. I was like, I'm just one of those people, man. Anyway, it was nice. FanFest was nice. I think my favorite part about this culture or this event is the fact that I get to meet all other creators, you know. Like I met so many people today. I didn't vlog with all of them, but I think like you guys know, I met Bhuvan and Kenny and Abish and Rob. Did I vlog with Rob? No, I didn't. But I met so many people. I loved, out of all the sets that happened, out of all the performances today at the live show, I loved Melvin Lewis and Mike Tompkins. Mike Tompkins, especially the acapella thing that he did. It was so well made. I also had a chance to meet him, and I told that to him. It was great. It was great. It's always nice to meet inspiring new people and then learn, you know. Like he's put so much effort in even that one set that he did, like the 10-minute set, 15-minute set that he performed. He put so much like pre-production in it, so that was very nice. After the show wrapped, we just went to Jeep's place. Everyone was there. Everyone was like chilling, partying. I didn't wait for long. I left early. It's around 2:30 a.m. right now. I just got back home, and I think I'm gonna go to sleep now because I'm kind of tired, although I didn't do much today, but I'm pretty tired, so I'm just gonna like doze off. And yeah, so this was the FanFest vlog this year. Yeah, I don't know, I'm having all the feels. If you like this video, give it a big fat thumbs up. I'll see you guys again on Thursday. Until we meet, love.